ko. Anhi ako diri sa balay, kay gimingaw na ko nimo kamay. Ayaw na pagtugay-tugay, pagdali nag-anhi kay ganahan ko kita duha diri mo pahuway. Yun ang alam ko. Ko na alam yung rest. Tibok. Talking stage dito sa comment section. Sige, ikaw nagsabi eh. Dali. Sige nga. Makipag-talking stage nga tayo dito sa comment section. Kaya mo? Atik ra kaya, diba? Ganun talaga eh. Miss mo na ba PBB? Of course. Miss ko na yung bahay. I miss it. I miss everything. But, you know, good things always come to an end. And hi, Fiang. Andito ba si Fiang? Hi, Fiangy. Tibok. Ayan, tibok. Ano na nangyayari, guys? What have you guys been doing? Ano namimiss niyo? Kasi ako, marami akong namimiss. Kayo, may namimiss pa kayo? Ako. Stop it. Anong ako? Okay. Anong ako? Stop it. Just kidding. Huh? You miss me? Na-miss niyo ako? Bruh. Ako din. Na-miss ko din kayo. Kasi, you know, again, I don't usually go live anymore. Shirt mo, saan mo nabili? Wala eh. Nakita ko lang sa anak ko. Wala po ako sa Singapore. You know what? Let's watch BBB. I was in denial that there's a new BBB, but it's okay. It's time. It's time we watch it. Akala ko ba kaganda? Sorry po. Ano kayo? Rewatch na lang. Oh, you want to rewatch? Oh my gosh, we did that actually. We did that. At home. Nanood kami ng ano. Nanood kami ng BBB. Tapos ang crazy. Kasi naaalala ko pa lahat. Let's watch BBB. What's my lip gloss?
50 minutes pa lang.
I only use a lip balm. I miss seeing you on TV. Oh. Kahit di ko nakikita sarili ko sa TV. Darling, darling. Darling, darling. Who do you miss? My mom. I like your kilay. Thank you. Di na ibabalik braces mo. Hindi po.
Ang bagong pasok na si Michael tila nangangapapa sa mga kasama at sa kanyang paligid. Wait lang, sino magaling sa math? Si Esnir naman, nag-request sa kanilang bagong housemate.
I have a great offer for you.
I don't wanna react to edits.
Pwedeng sa'yo na yung kama katabi ng pintuan.
Baka makita niyo.
It's comfy, warm. Kasi feeling ko may mga tas na yung mga abat-abat mo. Ako yung mauna dyan. Yes!
Ilang saglit pa,
Sana na nabibigyan. Let's go on X. Shattered. Lip balm reveal. Do you guys like my lips? So many people are asking for it. Basta, be there. Antique. Antique, March 22. Darling, darling. Darling, darling. Tayo ay pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi tinadhana. Mundo, kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Para sa sariling kapakanan, kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Abra. Babalikan, pinagtagpo. What are your thoughts on that? Like tattoos? Join? Anong join? Why? Who's here? Did he just turn off everything? There is no patulong sa research. Okay, send it to me. What do you need help with? Oh my gosh, it's haunted! So scary! Who should we call? Yan na lang. Let's prank someone. Tara! Tara! Let's prank somebody. Tara. Ano sasabihin ko? Mag-kiss nga.
Never thought it meant a thing till I felt and touched her skin. When she smiles, my knees go weak. There ain't no sunshine.
No sunshine!
Where I was before.
Sino ipaprank natin? Come on, guys. Ano sasabihin ko? Ano sasabihin ko?
But I found
2% ka na.
love, the warmth in your arms.
Hi. Gawin mo na research mo.
Won't you come closer?
Kamustahin mo.
Over.
Excuse me.
I don't need
Anything. I just want you. Prank that you're sick? Nobody cares if I'm sick. I'll call them because I'm gonna say I'm sick. Eh, anong gagawin nila dun? Maybe in Amsterdam, maybe in Maybe. Hindi. Something else. Ano? Ha? Say a lyric. Oh! That's so funny! Ayoko! Kung anong sabihin ng mga tao. Broken prank. I'm so sad. Ganon. So sad. Sige. Si Mariana. Let's see if she's still, if she's still, online. In love prank. Oh, sige, sige. Sino mauna? Just hold me close. Naliligaw. No, that's so unrealistic. They know I could just use the Google Maps. Yun na lang. Like, in love prank. Just imagine if I put my trust into you. Oh, my universe, my everything, my sunset. You still give me butterflies, my lullaby. You are. Ooh. Ang crazy niyo naman, bro. Ang lala. Ignoring? Eh, ako yung tumawag eh. Lag prank. Ibababa nila yun. Yung in love prank na lang. Yun na lang. Mas nakakaano yun. Mas convincing. Saan ba sila active? Bye. I need to tell you something. Hi! I need to tell you something serious.
What? What?
I need to tell you something serious.
What?
Bye, this is serious.
Go, what is it? Faster!
Get off! Get out of there!
Wait, I'm just gonna go not speaker then.
Okay.
Okay, turn your cam off so that it's not speaker and stupid.
Oh, my bad.
Or what?
It's like, mean.
Oh.
Serious, how this serious?
Can you not lie? I'm actually in the gym na.
Kakarating mo lang dyan?
Oh, why?
Okay. I have something to tell you.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh no!
Hoy! Huwag kang magmura.
Taro!
Don't mura. Bad yan.
Okay, go. Faster.
So like, ganito kasi yun. Like, one time, I was just going like this, no? Tapos I wanted to tell you, but I couldn't tell you. But now I'm gonna tell you.
Oh.
Pero, he might...
If this is a prank, I'm gonna throw you. Faster ba?
So he might get mad kasi, and you might get mad.
Okay, go.
So like, ganito kasi yun.
Yeah,
First- Don't mura! Open your cam.
What?
You cannot see?
What's that?
It's, alive.
Uy!
Excuse me. They wanted me to call somebody. To prank them.
Hello guys.
Pero I wanted to end yours kasi baka ano masabi mo.
I'm wanting na talaga, bro. Don't use me na for ganyan.
Yeah, that's why. Anyway, just say hi.
Hi guys. Enough na like that. Enough na prank calls. Tama na.
Okay. Bye-bye. Good luck.
Bye bye.
Ingat.
Bye.
Same to say. Actually, it's a bad idea to do the in love prank with Rain. Kasi alam niya. may alam siya. So baka ano masabi niya? You know? Si Kai kasi not serious. Ano naman gagawin ko? What am I gonna say? Oh, taking all the signs. Ate Jazz. Di ba may ano si Ate Jazz? Ate Jazz has like a... We'll try. May event kasi si Ate Jazz eh. Act like they're the ones that called you. Okay, we'll try Ate Jazz. She already did this eh. Baka alam niya na. We'll just do it anyway. Just imagine all the little things we could do. Why'd you call?
I didn't call.
You called.
You called.
You called.
Oh God. This is a prank. I did it.
I know, right? You did it. Sabi ko na nga eh. Alam niyo
I
mo.
naglag. Hi everyone.
Ay, nako.
Ay,
Sabi na eh. Alam ni Ate Jazz. You're so gorgeous lagi eh. Asan ka?
Eh, gorgeous.
Tay-tay pa rin? Tay-tay pa rin?
No, na QC na.
Ah.
Alam nilang tapos si Roger sa imong live.
Awe?
Hi,
Wait, pretend like you're not watching my live. I'm gonna prank you din. Go.
Sino nang i-prank mo?
Kuya Roger.
I-prank mo sina ano?
Isa.
Lahat. Sila Jared, sila lahat.
Ang dami nagsasabi na Jaren eh.
I-prank mo yun.
Sige.
Guguluhin natin yung buhay niya.
Sige.
We're going there tomorrow?
Swimming. Swimming ta.
What time?
Huwag mo ko i-prank sa'yo.
Anytime. Basta I don't wanna swim in the morning kasi.
We'll just go there morning because we're
hanga
leaving 5.
Sige.
Okay, cool. Alright. Bye.
Bye-bye. See ya.
Bye to all kind mates and everyone out there.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bakit mo mag-prank?
Ayos ka. Alright, next. Sige, alam na ni Ate Jazz eh. Whatever. Ate Colette. Naka-business chat si Ate Colette eh. Parang ano. Sabi ko, ba't business chat? Give me your number. Ate Colette. Let's see if she even answers. Ate Colette is so... I know when she... Baby, will you walk with... Si Piang? Ew! Heck no. I would never do that. Ate Colette! Why'd you call?
Yes, baby loves.
Why did you call?
Bagaan mo daw mo yung kupang tawa.
Ikaw man itawag.
Oh my God, are you dilulok?
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my house sa Bolabol.
I'm actually live right now. I wanted to prank you, but you're not even on camera. What the heck?
Ay, sorry.
Can I see Inoki? Can I see? Inoki! Kinakain ko yan si Inoki.
Nag-edit ko video.
Oh, kita-bit ako sa X.
Asa ka?
Okada, you wanna go swimming?
Wow, si Okada pala. Okada, sa'yo
Ugma.
ka kay Ugma.
Ay, nakaib gawin tomorrow.
Ugma, wala ko yung monogma.
Oo, ugma na lang.
Nasa dala sa Okada?
Oo,
Nagusto ka dala.
wala lang, tambay lang.
Wow, grabe na tapos yung Okada. Kisa ka ba?
You know, sila, yung iba. Yung iba.
Like, na housemate?
Oh.
Si ano? O kinsa pa?
Basta!
Ipakita daw.
Oh my god, bro! Oh my god! There are people here, Okay, ako na i-chat mo. Mag-bye ka muna.
Bye-bye, mahal. Laina po nung drawing mo. Asa ba tanaw na ko be? Kiss ya.
Tayo ay pinagtagpo.
Nag-love yun siya. Kung ba dira ba din naman kayo.
Okay na, but you said worse things inside PBB.
Na?
Pautang prank. Walang magpapautang sa. Sige, I'll just bye. Chat.
Okay, bye-bye. Love you.
Bye-bye, love you. Ano ba yan? Chat ko ulit? Baka, ang hina ko lang talaga mag-prank. Kuya D! Kuya D. Ayaw ko magpautang kay Kuya D. What should... Wala, prank lang. Anong gagawin ko kay Kuya D? Kuya D, may problema ako. Sige, I'll just make it up. Maybe I'm wrong for writing this song, losing my head over you. Kuya D, tulong.
Shake super lang.
Ano yan? Sinigang?
Sinigang at the bar.
Whatever. Tagalog song. Interesting question. Okay, he's not answering. Baka he's busy sa ano niya. Oh, ayun na yun. Kedi,
Yes.
I need tulong.
Why?
This is serious. This is serious, ano, tulong.
Wait lang. Why are you laughing?
Wala.
I bet this is not serious, guy.
Hindi. Hindi, this serious to, serious. Ano eh?
Yes.
Someone
Aren't you live?
Ha?
Aren't you live?
Hindi! Kakaano ko lang, kakababa ko lang.
Ha?
Kakababa ko lang.
Wait.
Oo nga!
Okay.
Na-realize ko lang when I left the live.
Okay.
And I decided I should be talking to you instead. Kasi you're very close with this person.
Oh yeah.
And yun na nga. There are people around.
Where?
Kasama ko dito.
Ariel. Okay, go.
Tapos, you know, I feel like I'm nagkakagusto already. You know?
Yeah, and then?
But I don't know if he likes me back.
What? Who is this?
Di ba kilala kay Eddie?
Kasi if ang sinasabi mo ay you don't know if he likes you back, then hindi ko kilala kasi I definitely know people na gustong-gusto ka. So, di ba?
Nako na.
Who's this?
Di ko masabi.
So, what do you wanna do?
What I want you to do, Kuya D, I want you to tell him that,
You like him?
oo. Pero, as a joke lang. Tapos sasabihin mo, joke lang yun. Ikaw talaga may gusto sa kanya. You just wanted to see his reaction.
What?
I can't take it seriously! I'm sorry, Kuya D. Hindi kita maseryoso. Nag-live pa din ako.
Sabi na eh.
I'm so sorry, people. They told me kasi in love prank, hindi kita maseryoso. Sorry. Pero,
Ano sabi ng fans mo sa live mo?
sabi na prank daw. In love prank. Ganon. Eh, di ko alam mo na eh. May alam ka na eh. So, wala din yung prank kasi may alam ka. Okay lang.
Yeah.
You're not busy.
Sino kaya pwede mo i-prank?
Kaya nga, sino?
Wala.
Yung walang alam.
Ay.
Ang close kasi natin lahat eh.
Yeah. Dong?
Kuya Dong? I barely
Yeah.
call Kuya Dong. Sabi nila, pautang prank. Ang gagawin ko, magpapautang ako sa ibang tao.
Ikaw yung mangungutang.
Kaya nga, actually, they wanted me to ask you for utang.
Yeah.
Ako mangutang kay Kuya D. Eh, alam ko naman anong nangyayari sa'yo. Ba't ako mag-uutang sa'yo? Kawawa naman si Kuya D. Ano yun?
Pero if ever naman mangutang ka, pautangin naman kita.
Oh, hear that, guys? Ang sweet ni Kuya D. Ayan o, ayan sila.
Hi guys!
Ayan. Actually, they want me to prank more people.
Yeah,
Nagawa
go.
ko na si ano,
Enjoy.
si Rain Ate Jess. At
Ray, si Ray nasa gym.
Oo nga eh. Nakita ko siya.
Yeah. Inaya nila ako kaso I'm resting today.
You didn't go.
And then, we had a shoot for the whole day tapos nag-gym pa sila. So, hindi ko na kaya yung energy ko. Alam mo naman energy ni Reyna.
Kaya
Hindi
nga,
kasi
never
lakas
ending.
na energy ko.
Never ending. Anyway, ingat. You take care.
Alright. Yeah, ingat din, ingat.
Rest well, bye-bye.
Nasa Kihor ka pa rin.
Wala na. I'm here at ano, Okada.
Alright, ingat.
Ingat, bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you end the call? Nawala ako.
Yes.
Bye-bye. The day that we... I'm not gonna eat anymore. I'm not gonna eat anymore. Later na. Sino next? I give you time and space. Ipaprank ko ang new batch of housemates sa PBB. Nasa loob sila ng bahay. My mom? Okay, let's call my mom. Oh, that's so funny. No, my mom's not watching because she doesn't have TikTok. Wala siyang TikTok so hindi siya makakapag-hi sa ano ko. I still remember the fuss and the fight and the lion so fine. It'll always be in my heart.
There's an interview that you should be there.
Ah, sige, sige. And I'll be here, cause we both know how it goes. Don't want things to change. I pray they stay the same. Sino bet mo sa bagong PBB? Si ano? Esnir. My twin and him, and AC. Hello? My mama did not reply. Did not. Bawal talaga. Umuwi ka na, baby. Di na sanay na wala ka. Mahirap pang mag-isa. Umuwi ka na, baby. Therese. Sige, Therese. Next. Ano sasabihin ko kay Therese? Therese! You just won some, like, 100K worth of free shopping money. You have to come here to get it. Hilig kasi niya mag-shopping. How come my mom is not answering? Kabad. Always. Si Fiang? She's not active. Always. Si Mark. Tapos na si Rain.
And 14 hours.
Mark told me he was low back. Ay, si ano pala yun? Sige na nga. Sige na nga. Fine. I can't even find it. You walked in, caught my attention. I never seen A man with so much dimension. It's the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you make me feel inside. I already called Ate Colette. Feels like I'm gonna love you for the rest of my life. Thing to say that we might even be. Ano sasabihin ko?
What's up, Kai?
Jaren,
Yeah?
wait lang. Excuse me, wait.
Yes,
Hold
please,
on. Hold on. Ano sasabihin ko?
Hold on.
Ano sasabihin ko, guys? Ano sasabihin ko? Buta. Jaren, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me? Jaren.
I can't.
Jar,
Hello?
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello?
Jaren,
Yes?
can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Bro, I'm about to end this call. Stop playing around. Yes, I know you can hear me, Kai.
Oh, I can hear you now.
Oh, no, that pisses me off.
No, this for real.
What is it?
I have a
Are you doing it
question.
for real or is this some like TikTok prank?
Ha? Hindi.
What is it?
No. This real.
Okay, cool. What
Ano?
is it?
Face reveal daw. Face reveal.
Are you on live?
No.
What do you mean face reveal then?
Face. Why? What's wrong if I'm live? Should I go live?
Then turn on your camera, let me see. Where are you?
Kita mo ba ako?
Yeah, I can see you. Where are you?
Okada.
Oh, inshallah.
Asan ka?
Yeah? What is it?
Kanay utang.
Huh?
Kanay utang.
Utang?
Utang.
How much?
Ano, 50,000.
For what?
50K. You know why? You know what happened? I don't have a phone anymore.
What do you mean you don't have a phone? I see the reflection in your fucking glass.
That's my iPad!
Your iPad is not that small.
Do you see this? That's my iPad. That's what I'm calling you with.
Where's your phone?
That's the thing. It's gone.
What do you need 50K for then?
I need to get a phone. A new one.
Do you not have 50K?
No. I'm broke. Can I utang?
Why are you lying, bro?
I'm not lying! Actually, it's worse. Sinasabihan lang kita ng 50K kasi I really need more than that. Shucks.
More.
I gotta pray to you know, for more, but like 50K na lang.
You know what? Don't even be asking me for 50K when you're in Okada, bro. Like that's the like maddest thing anyone has ever said to me. Staying in a 5-star hotel and you're asking for 50K.
No.
Ang kapal.
Hindi. I just got here because this is an old parang gift card, whatever, ganon. It's a reward kasi so pumunta ako here, you know? I need 50K,
How
bro.
about you reward yourself by refunding them nights that you're staying at Okada?
You're not helping. This is a serious matter.
Okay, I'll give you 50K, cool. But I'm gonna post on X. Kai's asking for 50K while staying in Okada and having like 2 billboards. Don't even piss me off.
Oh my god, don't say that. Oh my god. Don't say that. There are people, you know, around here.
Wait, who are you with?
I'm with my dad and Kuya Sor.
Alright, Tito. Hi, Kuya.
But they can't hear you. You're in my ear.
Oh, okay.
And also, I need more.
What is this? What are you playing at, Kai?
Pusang gala. Merong isa pa. Ew! I need more money. 500,000 pesos. Kaya?
What are you 500K for, bro?
Wala lang. I really need like something. I wanna go shopping and stuff.
I'll give you 100K just for you to go shopping.
Yeah.
Hell nah. What the hell? Are you in the right state of mind?
Come on, bye. Don't you love shopping?
Yeah, I love shopping for myself. That's why I'm gonna keep that 500k and shop.
Hindi nakaka-help mga tao, you know, these days.
Wow. You call me, you asked for 50k, and then you got from 500k from 50k. Yeah, you're insane.
Would you actually believe I'm asking you for that much?
No, I don't believe it. But you don't actually need it, so I'm not giving you none.
Can I, is Tito birthday?
No, I'm not gonna let you bring him into your kalokohan.
I just want to say hi. You said hi to my dad.
Dad, Kai is calling me asking me for 500k. 500k daw. Like that, man.
Oh, sabi ni dad mo. Sabi ni
You
dad
get
mo.
500k.
Oh, di ba? Give daw the money to Kai. Oh, so sweet talaga. So sweet talaga, Tito Bart. So nagmana anak niyo.
Just, man, what's this for? What are you asking? What's this interrogation?
Are you guys, ano? Hold up. Are you guys satisfied? Satisfied ba kayo?
Who are you talking to? I thought you lost your phone. I thought you lost your phone. What
I
happened
lost
to
my
that?
phone. I'm talking to somebody.
Oh my god. What game are you playing right now, Kai?
Okay, fine. Dahil hindi sila satisfied and I feel like hindi sila maging ever satisfied. Mag-hi ka na lang. Ready ka na?
Huh?
Ready ka na?
What is it?
Why are you so scared?
Because I don't know what you're showing me. Like, who's...
Just say hi.
Let me see. Hi.
Wait, ready ka na? Papakita kita.
I'm ready.
Mag-hi ka.
You've been on live this whole time, bro.
No, I wasn't.
I thought I was in your ear, you liar.
You thought I was in what?
I thought I was in your ear.
Why would you believe that? Huh? You're so
We're gonna get
analytical.
500k. Tell your TikTok followers. Why don't you ask your TikTok followers for 500k?
I don't need 500k, my god. They wanted me to do utang. Actually, they wanted me to do utang, a new prank on you. Eh, sabi, there's literally the biggest, what do you call this? The
Well,
biggest...
you need to tell your followers that you need to take more acting classes because I was not persuaded.
Kasi they wanted me to do something else. I could definitely do this better, but I don't want them to get this. They're getting way too spoiled.
I say do it better. She calls me, she asks me 50k, but you're in Okada. Oh my god.
Oh my god. You know, I called you so that they would be satisfied. Tas you're gonna...
Are they satisfied?
Are you guys satisfied?
I'm satisfied.
Satisfied? Gusto nila.
And why would you say where you are on live?
They already know where I was.
Yeah, but still, you shouldn't go announcing where you are.
Well, too late. Now everyone knows.
Well, you don't know who's watching your live, so don't say your location.
Yeah, my bad. But, nasabi ko eh. Kaya I called Ate Colette and she was asking where I was. Nasabi ko. Shocks. My bad. My bad, y'all. Are y'all satisfied? I'm not gonna do that prank, whatever you guys are asking me for. But,
What prank is that?
it's in love prank. Class. Hindi,
It's
not
not
that
Do
song. It's not that song. It's the other one. Again,
What's the other one?
the other one.
Palagi,
Palagi,
babalik,
malintaya ka mo. Ano ba yan? Okay na kayo, guys? Okay na kayo? Okay ka na, Jaren? Satisfied ka na, ha?
Not satisfied.
So you're gonna give me 50k so that you're satisfied.
How about you go? Who are you pranking next then?
Di ko alam. I already pranked.
Oh, yeah, that's insane.
So you're telling my fans that they had like horrible yung idea nila na pautang prank.
No, I'm saying that your execution was horrible. You could have like been in a dark room. You could have been crying. You could have
Oh my
at least
God.
put on a show.
I'm not gonna do all that. I'm in a live.
That's on you.
Well, whatever. They wanted me to do something else anyway. So, in love prank, kayo na lang gagawa.
What did you call them?
Huh?
What did you call them?
Nothing. Sabi ko lang, kayo na lang gagawa sa in love prank. Kayo na lang ma-in love kay Jaren. Mas okay pa yun, di ba? Jaren. Sabi mo, okay, yeah.
No.
Ha? Sabi mo, oo.
No, not okay.
But ayaw mo. It's much easier for randoms to
What are they saying currently on your live?
in love prank. Ay, ganito na lang. Tawagin kita ulit. Tas, you know, you act like my prank worked. Okay?
Okay, cool.
Okay?
Alright.
Okay. Sige guys, i-cut niyo na lang to na part. Tas, I'm gonna call him. Tas ipaprank ko siya. Diba? Ayun. I-cut niyo na lang to. Tas ipaprank ko siya. Jaren?
Oh, what's Kai?
Hi, Jar.
What's up?
I wanted to ask you something.
What is it?
This is a serious question, so you better be serious. You cannot
Alright.
play with me right now.
What is it?
I think I'm starting to like someone.
Okay, nice.
No. Keep asking.
Oh, who?
Who? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Who?
That's a good question. That's a good question talaga.
Who is it? Who is it, bro?
You know what? Answer to that question? I cannot answer it. Di ko siya ma-answer.
No, tell me. Tell
I
me.
can't tell you. That's the hard
No,
part.
tell
I
me.
can't tell you,
Tell
bro.
me, bro.
Di kita masabihan for real.
No, tell me.
Di kita masabihan, bro. It's so hard.
You have to.
Jaren Garcia. I've been wanting to say this for like 3 years now. 3 years. 3 years now, bro. 3 years. Can you hear me? Do you hear me? Are you even listening? You're not even
Yeah,
listening.
I'm listening.
3 years na, bro. 3 years. Pero di ko pa rin masabi. Di ko pa rin siya masabi.
Sino, sabihin mo na.
Sabihin ko na.
Sabihin mo na.
I cannot. It's so kasi, he's so malaki ulo. Malaki ulo niya. So sasabihin ko sa kanya, baka he's gonna go, you know?
Sino siya?
Ang lakas ng dating. Ano ba? You're off the script, Jar. You're off the script. Balik
Bro,
sa
you went
script.
off the script too. Okay,
Balik sa script. Balik sa
Okay,
script.
balik sa script.
Jaren, kasi, ito gagay, malaki kasi ulo niya. Tapos, if I would tell him, baka mas lalaki ulo niya, tapos mag-explode na naman, you know?
Who is it then?
Who is it? Shucks, di ko masabi.
Hindi wag.
Hindi, wag na lang.
Wag na.
Wag na lang.
Wag mo na.
Wag ko nang sabihin.
Sino siya?
Oh, wag. Screenshot. Again, smile on the screen. Ano ba yan?
What am I supposed to say, bruv?
Acting like he's gang daw, pero... Ano ba yan?
I'm throwing out a peace sign. This is a peace sign.
You said it was bad.
No, it depends on how you use it. Yeah.
Ano ba yan? You're going out of topic.
Okay, sorry. Back to script.
Back to script.
What's it?
Bye. Di ko masabi because I'm nervous, you know? My heart is dug right now. Like, my heart is beating so fast.
Who wrote this script? My heart is dug.
Can you not? Huh?
Sorry.
Narinig ko yung mga audience script, oh.
Please tell me who is it? Sabihin mo na.
I'll tell
If you don't say it now, I'm gonna end the call. If you don't say it now, I'm gonna end the call. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What the hell?
Oh, end mo.
That was your cue. To say it. Boy, sorry.
Oh my god.
Sorry. Off script.
You're off the script. Don't get off the script, Jar.
My bad.
This is our way. Come on. Di ko masabi. Sana someday meron ako lakas na loob para masabi ko na. So, you know what? At dahil di ko naman masabi sa'yo, at di ka naman din mabuting friend na ini-encourage ako para sabihin, hindi wag na lang. So, ito na ang takdang panahon para magsabi ng goodbye. Dito na tayo magpapaalam.
Now we're starting over again.
It's not easy. You see this? You see my hand? Kumakaway na siya. Kasi
Okay, cool.
di ko magawa eh. So, palagi. Magbabay ka na rin sa mga tao. Kotang-kote na.
Bye-bye, madlang people.
Kotang-kote na sila.
Bye, madlang people. Dapat mo na malaman.
Shut up. Let's do Fiang. Ano, happy kayo guys? Inulit talaga namin eh. Inulit namin. Okay, let's call Fiang. Inulit talaga namin para sa inyo. Wala yung script ha. Wala yung script whatsoever. No script whatsoever. That was pure. Natural. Ano yun? Natural acting. Ay, acting. Natural. Ano yun? Basta. Natural. Oo, genuine yun. Genuine feelings. JP is literally offline.
Everybody look to the left. Everybody
Yana,
look to the right.
I gotta tell you something.
Yeah.
Gotta tell you something, bro.
What do you want, buddy? Wait. Let me tell you something.
Wait! Don't say that! Don't say it! Don't say
Exams
it!
are over.
Oh,
Exams are over. Can you believe it?
yeah.
I think I failed bio, bye.
Okay,
Okay, I know, like, I'm
believe in
so
yourself.
genuine.
Wait,
I'm
shut up, shut up.
genuine, direct.
Shut up! Wait,
I was taking the test.
wait
man.
lang,
I was
wait
taking the
lang.
test. I read the first question, man. I finished the test in 10 minutes and went to sleep.
Wait lang. I'm on live. I'm on live.
Oh. Okay. Hey guys,
Stop.
I'm shy now.
No,
It's okay.
they wanted to call you because, they wanted me to ask you things. So this is like an interview, okay? Okay, Raka?
Okay.
It's just your voice. So,
Okay.
eto.
Everybody look to the left.
Shut up! Okay.
It's all about the money.
Oh my god.
Continue.
So how old are you, Bai? How old are you?
That's a secret. Let's keep it confidential.
Oh, it's a secret, guys. It's a secret pala. Ayos ah.
It's a secret.
Ah. So, can you please describe your crush?
I'm gonna end the call, buddy.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking.
Next question.
Next question. Who in the PBB Gen 11 is your bias?
Not you. See.
Oh my god, the faker! Who?
Si ka pala.
Who?
Ang one and only ko. Irena.
Oh my gosh.
Next question.
Where you're lagging, I know. Ano yun?
Next question.
Fast talk. This fast talk.
Okay, go. Bilis.
Light.
Nagtagalog ko ba niya?
Bar knowing.
Where? I
Sleeping.
got affected by your Tagalog.
Sleeping in the bed?
What happened?
I don't know why.
Let's turn off.
I think my dad turned it off.
Wait, put your hand up again. I'm gonna say.
What are you doing?
I don't know, because like when you raise your hand up, it turned off.
No, it's not. Anyway,
Next question.
sleeping in the couch, sleeping in the bed.
Bed.
Oh. Braces.
Next.
With braces, with no braces.
With no braces. Next.
With bangs, walay bangs.
Banks.
Girl, boy.
Boy.
Ah, boy. Boy talaga.
Yeah.
Si Rain ako.
Well, si Rain. Next.
No way! I'm gonna
Next
call...
question!
I swear, I'm gonna call Hershey. And if Hershey says Rain, broken na talaga heart ko.
Yeah, next question. Go.
Stop giggling like that. Course daw Nemo. Say course Nemo.
But the filter doesn't work.
What's your course?
I'm STEM. Or like,
No, what's gonna be your
what
course?
course I want? What's my course gonna be?
Yeah.
Oh, study STEM. Okay. I'm gonna do psychology.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm gonna do psychology.
Okay, nice, good. Hershey or me?
Hershey. Next question.
Oh my god. Wow, wow.
Next question.
Ano question, guys?
Not your hand.
Ako or Tito Kenneth?
Oh my God, Tito Kenneth! Bye. I reposted my katong joking. Who's the real star here?
Stop! I saw that.
Okay, next question.
Who's your bias at PBB Gen 11 but only boys?
I forgot who the boys were, like. Wait, hold on. Let me think for a bit.
Safe to say that we may even be.
Okay, bye. Nakalimot naman ko.
No way.
Wait, give me options. Go. A, B, and C.
A. Kuya Dylan. B. Kuya Bensoy. C. JP. D. Si Jaren. E. Mark. F. Oh, Katara.
Si Kuya Dylan. Next.
Oh, Kuya D. Ayos ah. How about from the female adults?
Older? Older, Ate Jazz.
That's
Next.
right. That's the, ano.
Next.
Jaren ba daw or me?
This one. You, by the way.
Oh, that's right. Finally, I get a point by
Next question.
Next question. Si Kuya or si Ate? Unsa man na, bay? Unsa man na filter, bay?
Wait, when my face looks so shiny, wait. Wait, it matches my background. Look. Can you see that?
Yeah.
It actually matches my background. Hold on. Let me take a screenshot real quick because I look kind of fire.
Yeah, don't you ever think that these are real people watching my live right now? So what if you answer the question?
Oh, my fault. I forgot. Sorry for the delay. My phone's lagging right now. What was the question?
What's your lippy
Sorry.
though? What's your lippy? What's your height?
My lippy.
Yeah.
Something by Mac.
What's your height?
Let's keep it confidential.
Guys, she's like 4 flat.
I'm at least like 4'11", bye.
She's like 4 flat, y'all.
Yeah, bye. Next question.
Old. Oh, this one's a quite not controversial, but it's gonna be the first time I'll hear it from you. Old guy or new guy?
What do you mean, old guy or new guy?
Kai. Old Keisha, new
Old
Keisha.
guy or new guy? New guy.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Why?
I'll answer it later. Next question.
Okay. Old money, new money.
No money. Sorry, no money. I'm not. Wait, I missed that song. I missed that song. Sorry. I don't know why.
Oh my god.
Basta my pera. Okay lang yan. Oh, did you hear that, Mike?
Yeah.
Did you hear my sentence?
What did you say?
Did you hear that?
What'd you say?
Ano lang, nakalimot ko. Next question.
Si Zeke o si Katik?
Tip sa mana.
Okay lang Katik ba?
Ay, katong taga USJR?
Oh.
Zeke.
Oh
Yeah, I don't know who the other one is.
Katik ba? The girl. With like
Tinsa ba?
pixie cut.
Look! Oh my god, that's kind of hard actually.
Yeah, diba?
Oh man. The one with the pixie cut. I see her more on my For You page. Kind of funny. And you know my schoolmates saw her and they took a picture with her.
Really?
I was so jealous of her. Yeah, me too. Next question.
Taekwondo or hanging out with me?
Bro, can I say none of the above?
Oh my god! I hate you! Let you ask me daw, sabi
Hard
nila.
up with you. Huh?
Let you
Sorry?
ask me though. Okay, you better say some, like, you know.
Wait, like, can I call you back? Because I'm gonna take a dump. I'm gonna take
No,
a dump.
no, you
like,
can't.
real quick, wait.
No.
Real quick. No, I'm not gonna, like, video chat you while thinking it up later. Like, I can't
Fine.
let the homies know, but yeah. Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Love you.
Bye. Safe to say that we. Okay, we'll call James. Hindi yun mag-answer. Because he's slow but sinabihan ako ni Mark. Rain is in the gym. And it feels like I'm gonna know you for the rest of my life. Safe to say that we might even be. Anyway, 30-10 guys. I think we all need to sleep. So gotta say goodbye to the homies. Goodbye, y'all. I don't call Jaren. I just called Jaren like 2 minutes ago. Was that not crazy now? Tita Florenex. Hindi siya nag-answer. Unboxing? Ano yung unbox ko? Let's go to sleep. It's already 10. Bye-bye, y'all. I had fun. I had fun, everybody. Bye-bye. Kumain kayo ng Chow King chicken chop. Kakakain ko lang nun. Sarap yun. Bye-bye. Thank you for everyone that watched and sent gifts. Thank you. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.